unboxing the LV08Pro and demonstrating its operation. This is the product manual. This is the device power cable. This is our LV08Pro main unit. It features a stylish and minimalist design with a high-quality finish. Now let's take a look at the specific operation. Connect the power supply to the miner. After plugging in the power, once powered on, the screen will light up and display Lucky. Open the Wi-Fi settings on your phone or computer. Connect to the Lucky Wi-Fi network. After a few seconds, the browser will open. The Wi-Fi settings page. Automatically enter your 2-4 Wi-Fi network name and password. After finishing the settings, click Confirm, then click Restart. After connecting the device, a web address will appear on its screen. Enter the address in your browser to access the backend page. Click the 3 horizontal lines in the upper left corner to open the toolbar. Click Mining Pool to enter the mining pool settings. Fill in the mining pool information, including the stratum, address, port, wallet address, or username. Swipe down for the backup pool. After finishing your settings, click Confirm and then Restart to complete the setup. All settings, deployment, and debugging of the device are completed. .it runs in good condition and is ready for normal operation.